Cube. The cubes of 1 to 10 are given below for use in following examples. 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27, 4 cube is 64, 5 cube is 125, 6 cube is 216, 7 cube is 343, 8 cube is 512, 9 cube is 729 and 10 cube is 1000. The Anupena Sutra for cubing. Take the hypothetical case of one who knows only the cubes of the first 10 natural numbers, that is 1 to 10, and wishes to go there beyond with the help of an intelligent principle and procedure. And suppose he desires to begin with 11 cube. 1. The first thing one has to do is to put down the cube of the first digit in a row of 4 figures in a geometrical ratio in the exact proportion subsisting between them. Thus, if A and B are 2 digits, then B to A is the ratio of second to first, third to second, and fourth to third digits. So, 11 cube is equal to 1111. This is first step. The second step is to put down under the second and third numbers just 2 times the said numbers themselves and add up, and that's all. So 11 cube 1111, second digit 2, third digit 2, so total is 1331. A few more instances will clarify the procedure. Example 1, 12 cube. Now 1 cube is 1 and the ratio is 2 to 1. So 1 multiplied by 2, 2, 2 multiplied by 1, 2 again 4, 4 multiplied by 2 is 8. Second digit 2 multiplied by 2 is 4 and 4 multiplied by 2 is 8. So we take the total 8, 4 plus 8, 12. 2 is noted written down and 1 is taken to the left, and 2 plus 4 is 6, 1 is 1. The grand total is 8, 2, 6 plus 1, 7 and 1. So 1728, that is the cube of 12. Second example, 13 cube. Again 1 is cube of 1 is 1 and ratio is 3 to 1. So 1, 3, 3 into 3, 9, 9 into 3, 27. Second digit 3 multiplied by 2 is 6, 9 multiplied by 2 is 18. So 20, we take totals, 27, 7 is noted down and 2 is taken to the left. 9 plus 18, 27 again, 7 is noted down and 2 is taken to the left. 3 plus 6 is 9 and 1 is not written down. So the grand total 7, 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 2, 11, 1 is taken to the left, so 1 plus 1 is 2. So the result is 2197, that is the cube of 13. Third example, 14 cube. 1 cube of 1 is 1 and ratio is 4 to 1. So 1, 4, 4 into 4, 16, 16 into 4 is 64. Second digit 4 multiplied by 2 is 8. 16 multiplied by 2 is 32, that is third digit. So 64, 4 is not written down and 6 is taken to the left. 16 plus 32 is 48. 8 is written down and 4 is taken to the left. 4 plus 8 is 12. So 2 is written down and 1 is taken to the left. 1 plus is not written down, 1. So the total is 4, 8 plus 6, 14, 4, 1 taken to the left. So 4, 2 plus 4, 6 plus 1, 7, and 1 plus 1 is 2. So 2744 is the cube of 14. Fourth example, 15 cube equal to, again cube of 1 is 1 and ratio is 5 to 1. So 1, 5, 25, 125. Second digit 5 multiplied by 2 is 10. Third digit 25 second multiplied by 2 is 50. So we take the figures now down. 125, 5 is written down, 2 is taken to the left and 1 is taken further to the left. 25 plus 50 is 75, 5 is written down and 7 is taken to the left. 5 plus 10 is 15, so 5 is written down and 1 is taken to the left. Now the grand total, 1 is taken down, 1. So 5 plus 2, 7, 5 plus 7, 12 plus 1, 13, 3, 1 is taken to the left, so 1 plus 1 is 3. Now fifth example, 16 cube, 1 cube of 1 is 1 and ratio is 6 to 1. So 1, 6, 6 multiplied by 6 is 36, 36 multiplied by 6 is 216. Second digit 6 multiplied by 2 is 12 and third digit 36 multiplied by 2 is 72. Now we take down the figures we take down. Now 216, 6 is written down, 1 is taken to the left and 2 is taken further to the left. 36 plus 72, that is 108, 8 is written down, 0 is taken to the left and 1 is taken further to the left. 6 plus 12 is 18, so 8 is not written down and 1 is taken to the left and 1 is not written down. Now the grand total 6, 8 plus 1, 9, 8 plus 2, 10, 0 and 1 taken down and taken to the left. So 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 1 plus 3 ones, so 4. So 4096, that is the cube of 16. Example 6, 17 cube. Cube of 1 is 1 and ratio is 7 to 1. So first row 1, 7, 49, 49 multiplied by 7 is 343. Second row 7 multiplied by 2 is 14, 49 multiplied by 2, 98. Now we take the total. So first 343, 3 is taken down, 4 is taken to the left and 3 is taken further to the left. 49 plus 98, that is 147. So 7 is taken down, 4 is taken to the left and 1 is taken further left. 7 plus 14 is 21. So 1 is taken down, 2 is taken to the left and 1 is taken down. So the grand total 3, 7 plus 4, 11, 1 is taken on to the left. So 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 4, 8 plus 1, 9 and 1 plus 2 plus 1 is 4. So 4913 is 17 cube. Seventh example, 18 cube. Again, cube of 1 is 1 and ratio is 8 to 1. So 1 to 8, 8 into 8 is 64. 64 is the 512. Now 8 multiplied by 2 is 16. 64 multiplied by 2 is 128. Now we take down the figures. 512, 2 is taken down, 1 is taken to the left and 5 is taken further to the left. 64 plus 128 is 192. 2 is taken down, 9 is taken to the left and 1 is further to the left. 8 plus 16 is 24. 4 is taken down, 2 is taken to the left and 1 is taken down. So the grand total 2, 2 plus 1 3, 4 plus 9 13 plus 5 18, 8, 1, 1, 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 2 4 plus 1 5. So 5832, that is the cube of 18. Eighth example, 19 cube. Again, 1 is cube of 1 is 1 and 9 to 1 is the ratio. So 1, 9, 81. 81 multiplied by 9 is 729. Now 9 multiplied by 2 is 18 and 81 multiplied by 2 is 162. Now we take the totals. 729, 9 is taken down, 2 is taken to the left and further to the left is 7. 162 plus 81, that is 243. 3 is taken down, 4 is to the left and further to the left is 2. 9 plus 18 is 27. 7 noted down and 2 is taken to the left and 1 is not taken down here. So the grand total is 9, 3 plus 2 5, 7 plus 7 14 plus 8 4 18, 8, 1 is taken here. So this total is 6. Now 19 cube therefore becomes 6859. Ninth example, 21 cube. Now 2 cube is 8 and ratio is 1 to 2. So 8, half of that is 4, half of that is 2 and half of that is 1. Now 4 plus 4 multiplied by 2 is 8 and 2 multiplied by 4 is 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. So total 1, 2 plus 4 6, 4 plus 8 12, 2 is noted down and 1 is taken to the left, 8 is taken down. So the total is 9261. That is 21 cube is 9261. 10th example, 22 cube. Now 2 cube is 8 and ratio is 1 to 1. So all the four figures are 8, 8, 8, 8 and second digit is 8 into 2 16, third digit is 8 into 2 16. Now total 8, 8 is taken down, 16 plus 8 is 24, so 4 taken down and 2 is taken to the left. Again 16 plus 8 is 24, 4 taken down and 2 to the left and 8 is taken down. So the grand total is 8, 4, 6 and 10. So 10,648, that is the cube of 22. Now example 11, 23 cube. So cube of 2 is 8 and 23 is 2 to 3, that is 1.5 times of initial figures, previous figures. So 8 into 1.5 is 12, 12 into 1.5 is 18 and 18 into 1.5 is 27. Now 12 multiplied by 2 is 24, 18 multiplied by 2 is 36. Now we take down the totals. So 27, 7 is not taken down and 2 is taken to the left. 18 plus 36 is 54. So 4 is not taken down and 5 is taken to the left. 12 plus 24 is 36. 6 is taken down and 3 is taken to the left. And 8 is taken down. So the grand total is 7. 4 plus 2 6. 6 plus 5 11. 1 and 1 is taken to the left. So 8 plus 4 is 12. 12,167, that is the cube of 23. 24 cube, example 12. 24 cube, again cube of 2 is 8 and 2 to 4, that is the figures are double. 8, 16, 32, 64. 16 multiplied by 2 is 32. 32 multiplied by 2 is 64. So we take down the totals. 64, 4 is taken down, 6 is to the left. 32 plus 64 is 96. 6 is taken down and 9 is to be taken to the left. 16 plus 32 is 48. 8 noted down and 4 taken to the left and 8 is taken down. So grand total is 4. 6 plus 6, 12. 2 is noted down plus 1 taken to the left, that is 18. 8 noted down plus 1 taken to the left, so 13. That that means 24 cube is 13,824. 25 cube. So cube of 2 is 8. Now all figures are 2.5 times. 8, 2.5, 8 multiplied by 2.5 is 20. 20 multiplied by 2.5 is 50. 50 multiplied by 2.5 is 125. 20 into 2, 40. 50 into 2, 100. So we take down the totals. 5, 12, 2 is taken to the left and 1 is taken further to the left. 50 and 100 is 150. So 0 here, 5 is taken to the left and 1 is taken further to the left. 20 and 40, 60. So 0 is taken here and 6 taken to the left. And 8 is not taken down. So grand total is 5, 2, 6, 8 plus 6, 14 plus 1, 15. 15,625 is the cube of 25. 14th example, 32 cube. Now cube of 3 is 27 and 3 to 2 ratio, that is, so divided by 3 multiplied by 2. 27 divided by 3 is 9, multiplied by 2 is 18. 18 divided by 3 is 6, multiplied by 2 is 8, 12. 12 divided by 3 is 4, multiplied by 2 is 8. The 18 multiplied by 2 is 36, 12 multiplied by 2 is 24. So 8, we take the totals now. 8, 24 plus 8 is 36, 6 is taken down and 3 is taken to the left. 36 plus 18 is 54, 4 taken down and 5 is taken to the left and 27 taken down. So the grand total is 8, 6, 4 plus 3 is 7 and 27 plus 5 32. So 32 cube is 32,768. Now we know if a and b are the two digits, then a plus b cube equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube, which can be represented as a cube plus a square b plus ab square plus b cube, and on the second line, second figure is plus 2a square b and third figure is 2ab square. That makes it equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Exactly a plus b cube. If it is a minus b cube equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. That is a cube minus a square b plus ab square minus b cube, and in the second row we take second second figure minus 2a square b, and third figure 2ab square plus 2ab square. So the total is b cube 3ab square minus 3ab a square b and a cube. Now we use this principle here for in example 15. 9 cube, if we want to take 9 is 10 minus 1, so 9 cube is 10 minus 1 cube. Now this is a minus b, so a cube is 1000 minus a square b is 100, 10 square into b is 10 into 1, 100 into 1 plus ab square, that is 10, b square is 1, so 10 minus b cube is 1. Now 2a square b, that is 2 into a square is 100 and b is 1, so 200 plus 2ab square, 2 into 10 20 into 1 square is 1, so 20. So the total is 1, 20 plus 1 30, minus 100 minus 200 is minus 300, and 1000 is 1000. So 1000 minus 300 700, 700 plus 30 730, minus 1, that is 729. So 9 cube is 729. Example 16, 97 cube equal to 9 cube is 729. 729 multiplied divided by 9 multiplied by 7 is 567. 567 divided by 9 multiplied by 7 is 441. 441 divided by 9 multiplied by 7 is 343. Now 567 plus multiplied by 2 is 1134, and 441 double is 882. So the total is 343. 3, 4 is taken to the left and further left is 3. 441 plus 882 is 1323. 3, 2 is taken to the left and further to the left is 13. And 567 plus 1134, that is 1701. So 1 is taken down and 170 is taken to the left, and 729 taken down. So the grand total is 3, 7 plus 3 4, 7, 3 plus 7 4 is 7, 1 plus 2 plus 3 is 6, and 729 plus 13 plus 170 is 912. So 97 cube is 912,673, 9,12,673. Better still, another method, better method, 97 cube equal to 100 minus 3 cube, a minus b cube. So a cube, 100 cube is 10 lakhs minus a square b, that is 10,000 multiplied by b is 3, So 30,000 AB square, that is A is 100 and B square is 3 into 3. 3 square is 9, so 900 and 3 cube is 27. Now 30,000 multiplied by 2 is 60,000 and 9 and that is minus 2a square b, and 900 multiplied by 2 is 1800, that is 2ab square. So 10 lakhs minus 9 lakhs, that is 9 lakhs 10,000 plus 2700 minus 27. 2700 minus 27 is 2673 and 91 9 lakhs 10,000. So 9 lakhs 12,673. The Yaudunam Sutra for cubing. Yaudunam Sutra can be applied for cubing too. The only difference is that we take here not the deficit or the surplus, but exactly twice the deficit or the surplus, as the case may be, and make a few corresponding alterations in the other positions also, as follows. Suppose we wish to ascertain the cube of 104. Our base being 100, the excess is 4. So we add not 4 as we did in the squaring operation, but double that, that is 8, and thus have 104 plus 8 equal to 112 as the left handmost portion of the cube. Thus we obtain 112. Then we put down the new excess multiplied by the original excess, that is 12 into 4 equal to 48, and put that down as the middle portion of the product. And then we affix the cube of the original excess, that is 64, as the last portion thereof, and the answer is complete. So LHS equal to LHS is base plus surplus plus 2 times surplus equal to 100 plus 4 plus 8 equal to 112. Middle term, new surplus into original surplus, that is equal to 12 into 4 is 48, and RHS is original surplus cube, that is 4 cube equal to 64. So 104 cube is 112, 48, 64. Some more illustrative instances are given below for familiarizing the student with the new process, which is not really new but only a very useful practical application of the AB cube formula described above. Remember, if number on right side of stroke has less digits than the number of zeros in the base, the remaining digits are filled up by giving zeros on the right side of the stroke. If the number of digits are more than the number of zeros in the base, the excess digit or digits are to be added to the left. Here is a table giving cubes of some numbers. The table contains columns number, base, deviation, left hand side LHS, middle term, and RHS, and cube. What is the cube of the number? So first example we take 103 cube, base is 100, deviation is 3. So LHS left hand side is 103 plus 6, double of 3, that is 109. Middle term is 9 into 3, 27, and RHS is D cube, that is 3 cube, 27. Cube is 109 stroke 27 stroke 27, that is 1092 727. Second example, 113 cube, base is 100, deviation is 13. LHS is 113 plus 26, that is 139. Middle term is 39 multiplied by 13, that is 507. And RHS is D cube, that is 13 cube, 2197. Now, base being 100, there are only two zeros in the base. So, middle and last terms are more than two digits. We have to take third digit or third and fourth digit, I mean first and second digit and first digit to the left. So 139 stroke 507 stroke 2197, 5 is taken to the left and 21 is to be taken to the left. So that is equal to 139 plus 5, 07 plus 21 and 97. That gives us the result 1442 897. Third example is 1004 cube. Base is 1000. Deviation is 4. So LHS is 1004 plus 8, that is 1012. Middle term is 12 multiplied by 4 equal to 48, and cube is 4 cube, deviation cube is 64, that is 064. Zeros are added to the middle and right hand terms because the base has 3 zeros. That gives us cube value 1012 stroke 048 stroke 064, that is 101 20 48 064. Fourth example, 10,005 cube. So base here is 10,000, deviation is 5. So left hand side figure is 10,005 plus 10, that is equal to 10,015. Middle term is 15 into 5, that is 0075, and 125 is the right hand side is 5 cube 125, that is 0125. Again, 4 digits are to be taken on the right hand side, of the stroke. So 10015 stroke 0075 stroke 0125. That gives us the value 10, 01, 50, 07, 50, 125. Fifth example is 996 cube. Base is 1000. Deviation is -4. So LHS is 996 minus 8 equal to 988. Middle term is -12. 4 into 2. The last deviation in the LHS is 12. So -12 into -4, that is plus 048. And D cube, that is -4 cube, is -64. That is taken as -064. So cube is 988 stroke 048 stroke -064. That is equal to 988 stroke 048 minus 1, because the last term -064 is converted to normal term plus positive term figure, that is 936, and 1 is taken as negative 1000. So 988 minus stroke 048 minus 1 stroke 936. That is equal to 980 936. Sixth example, 93 cube, base is 100, deviation is minus 7, LHS is 93 minus 14, that is 79, middle term is minus 21 into minus 7, that is plus 147, and RHS is minus 343. So we get the cube 79 stroke 147 stroke minus 343. Now base being 100, it has two zeros, so 147 1 is taken to has to be taken to the left, 47 we keep, and minus 343, 3 is to be taken to the left, and 43. So the figure is 79 plus 1 stroke 47 minus 3 minus 1 57. 43 is 157 minus 43 is to be taken as minus 157. So the final figure is 804,357. Seventh example, 9991 cube. 9991 cube, that is base is 10,000, deviation is minus 9. So LHS is 9991 minus 18, that is equal to 9973. Middle term is minus 27 into minus 9 equal to plus 0243, and RHS is minus 729, that is minus 0729. So we get cube 9973 stroke 0243 stroke minus 0729, that is equal to 9973 stroke 0243 minus 1 stroke 9271, that is equal to 997 30 24 29 271. And last example is 10,007 cube, base is 10,000, deviation is 7. So LHS is 10,007 plus 14, that is 10,021. Middle term is 21 into 7, that is 0147. RHS is 343, 7 cube is 343, that is to be taken as 0343, base having 4 digits, so 4 digits have to be taken to the right of the stroke. So 10,021 stroke 0147 stroke 0343, that is equal to 10 02 10 14 70 343. Exercise 1 37 cube, second 53 cube, third 87 cube, fourth 123 cube, fifth 196 cube, sixth 348 cube, seventh 666 cube, 8th 785 cube, and ninth 963 cube.